share with you my Thanksgiving setup. So you know that I have a service, a setting for 4 people. Well, of course, that is never going to work when you're having 16 people for Thanksgiving dinner. So I always have between 16 and 20 people over. So this is what I use. These tables. So I'm just going to show you how I set up the dining room.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. If this is your first time visiting, I'd love to welcome you and hope that you'll come back as a new family member. Today I'm setting up my dining room for Thanksgiving, so stick with me till the end to see how it comes out.
And I don't have a huge dining room, but trust me when I tell you, we make it work. Next, I'm going to come in with additional seating, and I'm just going to wipe these down because they were stored in the garage. To take a quick pause for the cause, because when I went to put these chair covers on, they were terribly wrinkled. So I believe I ordered these on Amazon, and I'm going to take a look for the link. They were a dozen of them, off-white polyester chair covers, but they look a lot nicer than having just folding chairs. So I'm going to get all of these on, and they're pretty nice quality. I've had them for a while. I think I bought them at the same time that I bought the chairs, and these game chairs in the set for a little over $100. And the chair covers, I believe I bought them on Amazon, but I'm going to try to find a link for them if anybody is interested. I know I said I was going to keep these chair covers on for the entire season. Being that I am using purple and white for Thanksgiving, I think I'm going to take these. And I have 2 long rectangle tablecloths, and these I also ordered. And like I said, I will try to find the links to these.
If you're still watching and not subscribed to the channel, you better click that subscribe button and, honey, hit that notification bell.
And just bungee cord. And I do that because I don't want the tables to, of course, slide apart while everyone's having dinner. Nobody wants that. Next, I'm going to come in with this beautiful off-white tablecloth. And this will go over the top. And this one belongs to my mom. Also found in that Christmas decor box that I pulled out this year. So this will act as a runner, and it also hides the seam where the tables come together. Now that I got the tablecloth squared away, I'm going to come in with some chargers. And because I don't have enough of either set, I am going to mix and match silver and purple chargers because my color scheme is silver and purple. So I worked a little bit on this spray off camera, and I used some purple mums that I thrifted and a couple of other little pieces, purple cattails and what have you. Just want to stick in a couple of my DIY velvet pumpkins just to complete the look. I'm back in with some beautiful candlesticks. One more of those pumpkins in. Yeah, that looks very nice. All right, let's find some napkins.
I hope you enjoyed what I've put together for you today and that it gives you inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time,